Hey guys, Doug here. Back for a quick little recording. I have recently gotten a number of these scooter battery packs in, and I was going to go through and dismantle one and test the cells to see where they stand. So let's get going with it. I don't know what you guys are doing to get past this virus situation, but I have been working on hobbies and on making some videos, learning the video software, and so on. Still not the best at this, but it is a fun experience. This is a interesting looking design. Let me get the tools that I'm going to need and we'll be right back. Alright, so it looks like everything's being held together by these pieces. It looks like they got a little weatherproofing in here, and then there's a Phillips head, a small Phillips head screwdriver head in here. So first thing, I've got to dig out the weatherproofing. And by the way, I paid for these with my own money. If these batteries test out well, then they will go into an updated Powerwall project, which I will make a video of very soon. Alright, so we got one. I'll undo this. Two. It looks like each one of the plastic stacks has its own little screw. Alright, these are really tiny little screws. So now I can pull this plastic piece off. Looks like it's got a little BMS board on top here, circuit board of some kind. Now I can check this out. I'm wondering how often these scooter companies swap out their batteries for newer ones, or if they're just like harvesting the scooters off the street and dismantling them. Alright, so alright. So in order to do this, you've got to disconnect these connectors here from this board. So I'm going to start with the bottom one here, and I'm going to pull it off. Now, the little cutters are. So there we go. My cutters are really sharp. Alright, so you got to take a tool and you got to take the little tabs here on the end and pull them up to disconnect them. So that you can pull this portion of the board off. So then there's these little clips here. That you can use. You gotta unpop them. Remember that these need to be trimmed down. Alright. There we go. There's the board. Put that aside there. And we'll come to the other side here. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend these down so they're not touching. Just for safety reasoning, even though they used to connect. I don't want them to connect anymore. And they just bend nicely down like that. We'll start on this side. Some of them don't come all the way up. They got 6 little tiny spot welds in there. So sometimes you just got to snip them there. And I can already feel the pack loosening up. Alright, start to take this board off. Alright, and I broke that board, mainly because this connection right here does not really seem to want to come off. I get it. I got it. Alright, so got the boards off, and now I'm going to kind of clean off some of this stuff, these little metal pieces. So now this has a rod in it. So let me bend these for safety. right. No power up top there, so just take that off. Here's our first pack of 4. Second, third, 4, 5. All right. This top one still has its protective sheath on. Kind of ripped up that off of there. First thing I want to do alright, so I can see there are packs of 2 there. So I want to test the voltage. It looks like they're at 2.87. So on the low side, but not bad. Alright, so now we'll start dismantling them regularly. Alright. Alright, so that's basically how you dismantle these packs. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. We'll be capacity testing these in the next video. Thanks for watching.